But take your time, study these things. I want you to do what I did when I had no money. What did I do? I commit to learning. I commit to learning. This is our principle in our business. This is the principle. Be, do, have. This is the principle. Do you know what? Many people want to have first before they be and do. But if you don't pass through this process, you will lose what you have. So you need to become more. Study people who are successful. Learn from their experience instead of you to have your own experience. Learn from them. Have a mentor. Read books. Stop watching the idiot boss. You know what the idiot boss is? Television. Stop listening to too much news. If they ask you about news, you know all the news happening in the country, but nothing about Longbridge. Stop. Do you know that if you want to get something today without even reading the paper, you will get it? Huh? And so stop wasting time. Look, for you to have massive success, you need to compress time. You need to compress time. Go look for this audio. I can't give it to everybody here. You can look for it. Go to YouTube. How to Build a Network Marketing Business by Jim Rohn. Jim Rohn. How to Build a Network Marketing Business by Jim Rohn. Jim Rohn. R-O-H-N. Jim Rohn. Look for it. Download it. Do you know how many times I've listened to that audio? Over 100 times. It was Jim Rohn who said, if you talk to 10 people, I talk to 100 people, will have a different result. The parable of the sower. You remember?
Yes, sir.
It's on that audio. Listen to it. Put into practice these things. These guys, they have been in network marketing for the past 60 years. Jim Rohn is dead, but the principle still works. Some of us are looking for strategy. Stop looking for strategy. Follow principles. Strategies come and go. Principles remain forever. So this is the principle. Become more. You can't give what you don't have. If there is no water in your closet, means there is no water in the tank, right? Are you following? If there is no water in your house, in your room, means there is no water in the tank. You have to fill up the tank for you to have water in your closet. So if you don't fill up your whole tank, there is nothing you can give. So become more. And now, some of us here, some people die here. Do you know why? Don't be like those people. They want to study everything first before they go and do. Somebody will be asking me, what's the ingredients they use in this black ginger? What's your business? What's your business? Looking for ingredients they use in our products. What do you want to use it for? Are you a researcher? Why don't you go to the lab? Longbridge has 8 research centers in the world. In the US, in France, Japan. Now they are building a factory in Lagos, right? So why do you want to do the work of these workers? Sell your business. Leave the work for them. So some want to study the profession. They want to be a professor of the profession before they go and do. Don't be like those people. The doing is in the doing. The learning is in the doing. Whatever you are learning, go practice it. Put it into action. That's the do. When you do more activity, you have what? More results. You have more results. So look for people, talk to them, follow up, close the deal, Train them. Don't bring people into the business without training them. Training them to do what? To become a motivational speaker. Eh? Because some of us will be posting motivational posts without no result. Before you see me post motivational posts, you must have seen me in the streets. You are following the success stories of your uplines, your star directors. They have arrived. And for now, they are not even where they want to be. Did you get it? Yes. And so when they post their success story, people like them. You too, you want to come and post your success story. Instead of you to go and do the work they did to get to where they are today. Winning. Meaning work is what? Necessary. Fall in love with the work. Do the activity. You will surely have results in your business. Follow people who will push you. You want to become Diamond 2. You are in the midst of Diamond 2. What are you doing there? Sorry. You want to become Diamond 3. You are in the midst of Diamond 2. You are taking advice from Diamond 1.
Non-businessmen.
You are telling this business hard to Diamond 1. You are in Diamond 2, you are telling Diamond 1 this business hard. You don't even know where to go for advice. If you are going somewhere, who do you ask for advice? The person who is already there, I mean. When I wanted to become star director, hey, I just wish you saw when I started, I was mingling with the leaders. And I didn't just get to the leadership. I didn't get to the leadership just like that. I built myself to get there. I built value. I give out generously to attract leadership. You can't attract leadership by always complaining, by always whining. They don't want whining, man. Ideas. What ideas are you putting in the table for us to get to where we want to be? That's what leadership wants. So follow who know road. Follow those who are where you want to be. How many of us want to become an SD? Who do you follow? From today on, stop asking Diamond 1 solution. Or stop asking the Diamond solution, start asking the SDs. And you don't just go and be asking them, do what they are doing. If they are in a seminar, make sure you invite people to the seminar. Make sure you have people in their seminars, in their events, anywhere they have, in Cameroon, any events taking place, make sure you are inviting people there. If they did not go, don't worry. Keep inviting. One day, somebody will go, and that person will blow your business up. Will you get it now? So start talking to people. Go. Follow them. Take them as your mentor. Do what they ask you to do. Do more. Even do more. And you surely have results in your business. Do you believe? Yes. Do you believe? Yes. Do you know that you can become a star director between now and December? Yes. Do you believe? Yes. We have few star directors here. How many of us want to be on this table? So by December, we should be celebrating more star directors. Yes. So if you are one of them, make some noise. Can the room disrupt? Yes. What will take you to that level is how burning your desire is. I tell people, Why is it that someone will join a business newly and will overtake those who have already been in the business, but they are in the same environment, but with the same condition? It's because of their why. So let your why be strong enough. Take massive action. Massive what? Action. You remember the action, right? Checking your back office is not action. Scrolling on social media, commenting is not. Stop doing non-income producing activity and start doing what will give you money. When you have money, you can upgrade, you can build your business the more. You can expand to other countries, right? And so take massive action. Show up daily in your business. Don't do it for your hotline. Do it for you. Thank you very much.